Oh shit, you just burned a banger in there.
That's a fire. It's not a banger, it's a... There we go.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, the chicken bit cooked. Yeah, that's why you don't light it with a lighter.
Why would the tree catches fire?
Well, then we'll put it out.
I can't cook that fire.
We might get bungles to be like, your... Yeah, I reckon it's just gonna crash.
Fuck, if you were standing there. Ready when you are, boss.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Oh shit.
James, first of all,
My camera's bugging. Tell me if anything bad happens to my camera.
come on, though.
To be fair, it's just here.
Holy crap! No!
Have you stuck them all on? Just one. Dump them all on.
Chuck them all.
Just tip them.
This is what we find. The two he's put in there are dots.
Yeah, the rest are like TNT.
I kept the smooth and ear from the king.
Nice.
What do you keep?
Oh.
Holy shit.
One of them like hit literally right where the gutter meets the wall, and it just jammed in. Yeah, just stayed there and played that. What a tune as well. Somebody should be filming.
Gold spray can.
No, where was it?
On the stage.
Oh, yes! Oh my god, that's amazing.
Gold spray can. Out by the
Legend.
Cleared the house.
Oh, so good. It's all the bits of getting rained on. It's like we are declaring war.
At you, to sign you up, Josh.
James, which way's that point?
Come here, Wanda.
Kind of
No,
over
I-
that.
It doesn't really matter because when they go off,
Oh, I'm getting rained on.
change direction.
Oh, crap. It's raining.
If you hit my camera, I'll give you a fiver. What the hell was that?
Why is he dead?
Ready when you are. Okay. How about like, throw it on the embers underneath that board? Yeah. Try and flip the board. See if you can get some movement on the board. Get some board flipping action. You just don't know. Ah! Bitch. Is that hot? Yeah, a little bit, and that's really exposed.
And there's
Yeah. Yeah, that's stuck to you. Oh. Oh shit! It came at me! Oh man, there it is. It just hit me! Yes! So you're alive? Yeah, I'm alive. Fuck's sake. Do what I said, I'll lift it up and you put it round underneath. Try it. It's a good smell of one, though. Oh, dying here. Alright, I'm filming. Right. That back end is just... Yeah. Oh, shit! Oh, that bull just launched at us. I saw that. Right.
Yeah, because I looked away and then looked as it was going off.
You stop it.
Oh my god, look, oh dude, look there.
You can just use the stick.
Shot it up.
Yeah.
The bottom blown out and the metal red
The
hot.
thing up so I can get it underneath.
Someone goes,
Big
yeah.
one. No. That's it, that one. Okay.
Which was this the snow?
Yeah. I hope I'm filming.
Holy shit, what's that?
It looks like a war movie! Same thing as before?
55 grand.
The split here. So if you can just be ready to...
I'll shut that to then. I'll give me about a year to say. I'll shut that to tonight.
Right.
Is deputy
Okay, this is the butane. Ready?
That's enough.
So one day you're going to have to stand a little bit further back. No, stand back, not in it. What is this anyway?
This is butane.
Oh goody. So it's going to be noticeable.
That sounds flammable, yeah.
Look at all the sentinel around. That was amazing.
Okay.
I like when you give me. Now the spotlight comes up. Fuck it, I'm filming.
Take that pole.
Okay, you ready? Wait, 1 second. Right, camera. Right, this is
I'm running up there.
this is the king. We're about to light the king. Should be good. Ready, Sam?
Ready? Ready?
Where am I running?
To the left. To the
Cool. Right, see that camera? I'm gonna do an action run.
Ready?
Yeah.